Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if is not charging on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your phone charger and cable. So after check your charger and cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on battery and enable fast fast charging button. After enable fast charging, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if is not charging on Infinix GT 50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.